Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another makeup beauty review. Today we're reviewing this product and it looks a bit weird and strange with this jar here, and this is the original Super Hold Pink Honey. It's basically a brow product. It's supposed to hold your brows in place and give you this feathery nice look, which I love. I need to wet the dipper. I'll be right back. The product is designed to be used before any other face makeup. Oh no, I have my foundation on. Original, this is the original Super Hold. They have another, they have a pink one, but this is the honey one. This is the original. It's supposed to be, yeah, it's the honey glue, the original. Super cute jar, love it. Okay. Interesting. It smells pleasant. Okay, and it basically has a hole inside where your dipper is supposed to go. Okay. And yeah, once again, I'll read the instructions. So, I need to place it inside the hole within your honey pot. Apply pressure and swirl until your honey dipper is coated and the product is a sticky paste-like consistency. Okay, let's do this. Swirl. Okay. Not sure what I'm doing. Pressure. How much pressure? Okay, I'll just try with that. Is it doing something? Not sure. Once again, the other brow. It's not that messy as I thought, actually. Actually, I like it. Woohoo! That's intense. That's the feathery look I was looking for. Yes. Basically, I can leave it like this, just for the sake of the video, but you can really adjust them as you want. I already have my foundation on and I have some brow pencil applied. Maybe, yeah, next time I'll switch a bit. First I will apply this brow product, then fill out the brows with the pencil and then go with the face makeup. That will be the right order. I love it. I like this feathery look. I know maybe it's not that trendy right now, but I love this kind of shape for my brows, and I will let you know in the comments if they hold on like this the whole day, and I mean, I'll let you know in the comments my first impressions. But so far so good. I can feel the glue. I mean, it's super glued and I love this kind of feeling for my brows. They are on place and I can start my day. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have tried this product and what are your thoughts. Also follow me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!